Hello guys, welcome to this section where we'll be discussing on how to add scene to your sources. Now on the previous video we saw how we could add image slide to sources, and now we want to see how we can add a complete scene to our sources. For instance, if you take a look at this scene now, you can see we have what is here. What can we have here? We have image slideshow, we have window capture, we have media source, and what we still have. Let's check our media source. Let's see what we have on our media source. Our media source is supposed to be okay. Let me bring the media source out. This is what we have. So if we have this as a media source, you can see we have a video. We also have image slider here. If you check our image slider, you can see we have different images. If I okay it, it's going to be, you can see how it's reading. So different images will just be sliding like they're animating. So if this is what we have, and if we play a video, the moment to play a video, you can see this is what we are supposed to have there. I think it's loading. Okay, image slide with window capture media source. Okay, this is a media source here. Okay, it's playing. Media source, it's playing. All right. So our media source is here. It has stopped. Let's play it again. You can see that's our media source. Now we already have a window display capture here. So now if I want to add, for instance, if I have this scene here, remember you have to always create a scene. If I want to add this scene, this very scene here that has this information here, maybe I have it somewhere here. You can see that's my picture. It's showing there from my laptop. So if this is what I have and I want to add the whole of this combination of everything here to what I have here, to what I have here, then what I will do is to add the complete scene here. You know, this scene here comprise of every information here. All the information you can see them here: color source, video capture, which is showing my face, then the contact us text that has the number. You can see I want to add everything, not just a source. You know, this is a source. So a scene is a combination of different sources. So this is a source, this is a source, this is a source, and the background is a source. I want to add the whole of these sources now to one to make it as a source in this scene. So what I will do is I will come to this place, click on this plus. I'll come to where you can see scene. I'll add scene. As I add scene, I'm going to name it so that I can recall what it's all about. So I'll click the scene I want to add. It is scene one. So I'm going to select scene one. I'll click scene one and add it. Can you see now? We have scene one, we have other sources now under scene two. So now you can see the image slide is not up because scene one is covering them all. So I'm going to take scene one down, or I'm going to reduce it. Can you see? So I have scene one there. Then I want to add my media source again. Let me bring my media source up. Let me bring it up. Can you see that's my media source? So I may want to maybe add my media source here so that I'll have multiple this thing on my page. So that I have multiple presentations on my page. You may not necessarily do all of this for whatever you are doing, but then there are some presentation that you can't tell that may require you doing all of this. That's the essence of this. So I just added this now. You can see I added this. Now I want to take this up. I want it to cover the whole of this page. So can you see? So this is what I'm going to have. This is what I'm going to have on this page. I'm going to have about I'm going to have about different sources and a scene. So this is what I have. So let me play everything now so that we'll see. These are source. So let me transit everything now so that we'll see. Can you see? This is what we have here. But let me come back to my media. My media source is not playing. Can you see? So I have my photo here. I have this video here, and I have this slider showing. So I can decide to go online, show my face here. I can decide to add my maybe I want to show people something. I can show a video here telling them this is the video of what is happening currently. I can play it and it will be showing. And I can also add maybe an advert or my page information here so that people, or maybe an offer so that people can see it and take action. So this is a scene. I have different information here forming this. I can also make this. I can also add this to this. I can add all of this scene now to scene 1. What do I mean? I can add scene 2 to scene 1. I can add to also training scene here. So let me, on this training scene, let me add the scene now. Scene now, I'm going to pick scene 2. I'm going to pick scene 2, add it here. Can you see? I will reduce it this way. I want to add another scene to it. I'll add another scene. Click on scene, add scene 1. You can see this scene 1. I already have how many content? I have 2 scenes on 1 page. Or I can take this up. I can also add another scene if I want. I can add another scene if I want, scene 3, and add to it. There's nothing on scene 3, so it's not showing. So I can bring it this way, bring it down a bit, bring it down a bit, then bring this up a bit. So I have 3 different sources. Now let me check scene 3, what is here? Chrome browser, and my Chrome is not open. So let me open my Chrome browser now. Or let me change it to OBS. So that it will show. Can you see? So I'm going to reduce it so that, okay, sorry, this is not where it's going to show. It's going to show here. So can you see? So if I decide to play and transition everything here now, and I play it, can you see what's happening? So I'm having different different scenes as sources on my sources under one scene. So I can create this and keep it. Maybe, for instance, in a church where someone asked you to, or maybe your pastor or someone wants to see the different images or the different things happening in the church, you can do something like this, create different scene, add them as sources, and make them different sources under one scene, and you have your presentation up. So that's it about this video.